Hi everyone, hope you're good. I'm Darm with you. Today I'm gonna talk you about Apple latest iPadOS home screen feature. We can say this is the welcome change for iPad users. So before getting started, my friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon to get the latest video alert. After this, in latest iPadOS 13 supported, all iPad users are able to use this all new home screen on its Apple tablet. Let's start how to use new home screen, edit widget list and all about to pin your favorite widget on your iPad home screen. As you can see on my iPad home screen has been completely redesigned with the apps icons arranged in a tighter grid. To get more benefits from the great new updates, you should enable Today View widget sticky on the home screen. Swipe right side to open widget and scroll to do edit mode. Tap edit. As you can see on my screen, here I'm doing widget listed apps order and disorder to customize. Get timely information from your favorite apps, at a glance, pin and organize your widgets below. User can pin to favorite apps under pin section, that apps always show the Today View alongside apps on the home screen. For that, you must enable toggle to appear on the top list on the Today View edit screen mode. To do this, find an app from this and tap and hold on the three horizontal lines, then drag it to the above list. That's quite easy. I suggesting you two apps that you should pin for all time. One is Battery Widget and second is Mail app for better productivity. This is just recommendation, however, you can keep as you want to stick apps. Here I'm trying to pin more than two apps, but Apple allows to add only two apps, that here we can see. You will need to slide your finger up to see all the widgets you've added. After customizing all widget screen, don't forget to tap on Done to save all stuff, so that the refined screen layout gives you more room for applications and information. Have questions about iPadOS home screen? Write it in the comments box below. And you can catch more video into the next screen. Thank you for watching.